this is Stella DiGiovanni with KOMI Hair Salon, and in this segment we're going to go over how to refresh your hair without having to do a complete hair wash. We know that blow drying your wax can be time consuming, so we wanted to give you another option when you are short on time. First, you're going to separate your extension hair from your real hair. You're going to leave out the front sideburns and the top of your hair and secure or braid your extension hair behind you. First, you're going to carefully add the water, avoiding the extensions. You'll want to use a shower head that's movable, or you can also go under a sink. You're going to shampoo, condition, and rinse your own hair while your head is facing down. Personally, I like to keep a towel nearby to hold onto my face in case I'm going to get water into my eyes. Sometimes the top of your wefts get wet and you'll need to dry the very top weft, but it's only going to be a fraction of your blow dry time. Once your hair is towel dry, you're going to go ahead and add your products to the hair and blow out like normal, and you'll have fresh hair that will last you a few more days. We want you to refer to the blow drying video with Amber for further instructions. This will take you about 15 to 20 minutes versus an entire blow dry which takes you 45 and is perfect for a night out or just to refresh your extensions. We hope you like our videos, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to one of us.